the 1980s gave us a legend, the Toyota Corolla AE86. Known to fans as the Hachi-Roku, it was the lightweight hero of a generation. Underhood set the 4AGEI, 1.6-liter twin-cam engine producing 130 horsepower. But it wasn't just about power. With a rear-wheel drive configuration and near-perfect balance, whether you chose the pop-up headlights of the Trueno or the fixed lamps of the Levin, you are driving a masterpiece of handling. From the Tuge mountain passes of Japan to the global stage of drifting, the AE86 proved that driving purity never goes out of style. The 80s Corolla more than just a car. It's a legacy.